Hey everybody, it's Simon from VIEZU. I'm in the VIEZU workshop today, so excuse some of the background noises. We've got a live customer over by the dyno, just going through his figures now on his P450. That's been in for a remap and cat pack exhaust system, and of course the dyno. And I just overheard it's just around 625 horsepower. That's right, 625 horsepower, up from 450 horsepower. Where else can you go to get that kind of performance increase just from a remap and one of our catback valve controlled exhaust systems? Absolutely phenomenal. It sounded amazing as well. Check out our YouTube for obviously various videos and footage of those cars on the dyno. So what else have we got? Well, a slightly interesting looking Golf R on here. This is a Mark 8 Golf R. It is not a damage repair. It is a live car. It was in great condition. It will go out in even better condition when it goes out later this week. It is in for operated intercooler. It's having a full turbo back sports exhaust system with valve control. It is having carbon fiber air intake system put into it as well, along with carbon fiber side skirts. Really, really big, nice intercooler being fitted to the front of that car will help keep the charge temperatures down a little bit lower, making sure that that engine is operating at its optimum conditions all the way through. We also have a wonderful XKR in, as you can see. Mitt is working on it live. Look, real workshop. Say hello everyone, to everyone, Mitt.
Hello.
He's better with the superchargers than he is with cameras, so that's absolutely fine. So this has been in for a number of things to be done on this one. What's actually happened with this one, Mitt? What have we been doing on this one?
On this one we did a service, a supercharger service as
Yep.
well. Found the coupling on the supercharger. I think Paul showed it in the last one.
Yeah, so quite a poor coupling on that one, wasn't it? I think we've done a video and some information on those recently. So it's one of those things to always watch out for on these engines when we're doing the couplers.
And then when we pulled it apart, we noticed the water pump had failed as well. So we changed the water pump as well while we got it all apart.
Well, what a perfect place to do it. When we're doing that work, we do check out other components on the cars. A lot of places, they'll just take something off and fit. We'll inspect the cars we're doing it. So there's nothing worse than finding a problem 2 months later when the supercharger's already been off. We check all of that once the car's actually in and we're doing the work on there. So you'll just see over there, and I'll talk quietly as the customer's in the background. It's like one of those live BBC News reports, isn't it? Things going on in the background live. P450 on the dyno, it's just around 625 horsepower. Really, really big, massive gains on that one. But what else have we had in this week? Well, it's not all shiny Jags and big performance. We've had some economy tuning with a big long wheelbase Mercedes Sprinter in this week. Also, we've had a Iveco Daily in the last few days, and later on this week we have a plethora of Jaguars again. We have another P450 in for some upgrade work. That's in for map and exhaust as well, I believe. We have another F-Type in as well, 5-litre supercharged for map and charge caller, and a couple of other odds and sods going on that we'll get you pictures of during the week, and maybe even a roundup video towards the end of the week of all the wonderful work we've had going on. So if you've got any questions, you want to find out what we can do for your car, upgrades, whether it's performance, whether it's styling, whether it's unleashing all those wonderful V8 ponies on the dyno, then reach out to us, info@viezu.com, check us on Facebook, check us on any of the socials and drop us a message, or just give us a call, 01789 77 4444, and see what you can do for your car today. Thanks for watching everyone.